In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate total hatch area in AutoCAD. This quick workflow is perfect when you need a reliable total for material takeoffs, site coverage, floor finishes, or any scenario where your areas are represented with hatch patterns. Start by opening your drawing so the hatches you want to measure are visible on screen. Make sure the hatches are already created. This method totals existing hatch objects, so you don't need to create anything new. With the drawing open, move your cursor to the command line and type area. Then press Enter. You can type in upper or lower case, and either the Enter key or the spacebar will confirm the command. As soon as the area command starts, AutoCAD will prompt you for how you want to define the area. Since we want to add up multiple hatch objects, type A for Add Area and press Enter. This tells AutoCAD you want to build a total by combining more than one selection. Next, type O for Object and press Enter. Choosing Object ensures AutoCAD measures the exact area of each hatch object you select, instead of asking you to pick points or trace boundaries. Now, carefully select all the hatch patterns you want to include in the total. Click each hatch object directly, taking care to select only the hatches and not their boundary lines. If your drawing contains multiple hatch layers or styles, that's fine, AutoCAD will sum them all as long as you select them. You can zoom and pan as needed while selecting to make sure you don't miss anything. If a hatch is behind other geometry, hover until the hatch highlights before clicking. Avoid window selections that might accidentally include non-hatch objects. When you've selected every required hatch, press Enter. AutoCAD will immediately display the total area in the command line, along with the running total of what you just added. The units of the total area follow your drawing's current units. So if your file is set to meters, feet, or millimeters, the reported area will reflect that. Make a quick note of the value or take a screenshot if you want to keep a record. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.